Greetings, my friends and fans. This is the TD-H3 Tidradio GMRS ham radio transceiver. It is my favorite, except for the fact that when it receives a signal, it throws out a afterwards, which is annoying. This is almost a perfect radio, but that, ouch, that hurts. So you would like to put a frequency in to use your TD-H3 as a scanner, which I do every day because it's good at scanning. Look at it go. It's not a slow scanner, and it won't skip things. It'll stay on the frequency until there's no activity again and start scanning again like a real scanner does. Unlike the Boofwang, which is a sucky scanner. So I wouldn't be a YouTube superstar if I didn't show you how to do this. So
Scanning stop.
we put the thing in
Channel mode.
frequency mode. Then once we're in frequency mode, we type in a frequency we want to copy. Let's see, how about
1 5 4 1 5.
That used to be our frequency for the police here in Albion, but now they're on an encrypted system. That way we can't hear what they're talking about because they like their privacy. It's a police state, in case you didn't know. So once we got this in frequency mode and enter a frequency, we hit the menu. Then the up and down buttons will take you through the various
security authorization level Omega 7 granted. Welcome to Starfleet.
We'll scroll through here till we find memory channel. Should be along any second now. Memory channel. You hit menu again once you're there, and then you pick a channel that isn't occupied by going to the ones that are occupied say channel, and the ones that aren't will just have a number. There it is. That one's open. So we hit menu again. Confirm. So now, go back down here. Channel mode, and there it is. Channel 25, 155, 415. You go over here to the scan button, which is the number 3, and hold it down. Scanning begin. And now that frequency, like all my other ones, are scannable. You repeat that for every frequency you want to put in. And this is the best scanner you can get for the money. It's under $35 for this radio. And you can't get a better scanner unless you buy an actual scanner. And they're way more monies. This is a great deal for a low budget scanner fan. The only thing I don't like about this Tidradio TD-H3 is when it receives a signal, it always throws in that afterwards, which is annoying, and I had to stop wearing it to work because every time it would go people would look at me, and I didn't like that very much. But other than that, I think They say not all of them do it. Just this one. It has dual watch. You can put 2 channels in there at once. It has double PTT buttons. You can key on either frequency with the up and down. It's got USB-C charging, which is great to take in the car. And it's a pretty powerful, compact size little radio that I can hit repeaters in Jackson, which is 16 miles away, just with this antenna that comes on it. So that's it, people. Get a TD-H3 and have you a cheapy little scanner that works fantastic. It receives very well. And you can always get an adapter and run it to an outside antenna and it'll receive even better. So I shall leave you now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe, because I'm going to make a few more radio-based videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.